Natin ba yung ano ko natin, out of ano to, decision ano lang to. So meron tayo itong black guys. Sabi nga nila, once you go black, bagay sa lahat.
Pero if ever, can I trade mga some pairs?
Oh, pwede.
On cloud na lang po, okay lang. Kahit dalawang pair.
Okay lang sana na trade kung kunwari. Ito, pinak ko, tapos I can give you like some pairs. Parang gano'n. Pero ito kasi, hindi ko siya gusto. Pero kung kukunin ko siya, pwedeng on cloud. Kasi on cloud mas moving kaysa doon.
Okay lang check ko sa store. Go.
A few moments later.
May napili ako. Mga cloud tape. Yung Zendaya, or yung pure silver. Isang pair lang.
Teka, tingnan mo kung meron iba dito. Ito ko isa ano eh. Kasi size 7.5 women's ton. Eto, sabi mo, palit ng cloud tilt daw. Sorry, I have to pass this one. I got it out of ano lang. I just wanted to support you for the business, but really we don't really need it. I just want to support you in your journey, sneaker journey. Para in the future, if you wanna sell more sneakers here, then we can buy. Pero to be honest, we really don't need these pairs. Pero we'll try to market and sell it. Also, yun nga, gusto ko lang makasupport sa ano. Sige brother. Okay bro. Thank you. Dito. Nasa Alo.
Ang perso sana eh.
Well, the SRP for that is 14, pero selling namin 12 lang. Meron pa ba tayong stock nito, Chan? Kung meron pa, bigay ko ng trade to. Kung meron pa.
Oh my God, bro.
Kasi what I want is meron pa rin display. Kasi if I give that to you, I'm not just losing the stock. I'm losing the display. Mga potential pre-order ko because they saw this, wala. Meron may stock tayo?
Small.
Anong size mo, bro?
Medium to large.
Medium to large. Malaki yung fitting yan. So check mo rin muna. Sige, pag ano, I'll get the black one and then you choose what other pair yung gusto mo i-dispose. I'll get it in exchange of that one.
Bagong perso guys.
Eh, pagkapalit namin, fake na Alo versus original na Salomon. Kaya bili ka ilan ko yung dalawang ngayon. Okay guys, pakita lang natin. So we're doing a trade. Done deal. Eto, patingin ako nung pakita lang natin sa kanila. So ito kinuha natin guys. Salomon na Gore-Tex to if I'm not mistaken.
Gore-Tex yan.
Yung size lang talaga, medyo maliit lang. So this is 5.5 women's guys. Tapos itong isa naman, yung all black. Gore-Tex din ba to bro?
Yes.
O yun, sakto maulan ngayon guys. So mga waterproof. In exchange of yung Alo sweatshirt natin na brown. Ito. Ayan, pe-perso daw ni brother. So yun, ano na natin, tulong-tulong na lang din. Yun lang, congratulations on your new sweatshirt bro. Natin ba yung ano ko natin, out of ano to, decision ano lang to. So meron tayo itong black guys. Sabi nga nila, once you go black, bagay sa lahat. So ito ka size 9, kasi all black, may ligaw sa black. Ito earth tone colorway, so may soft spot talaga tayo sa earth tone colorways eh. So this is Gore-Tex, so this is waterproof guys. Pambabae nga lang yung size, I think this is 8 women's. Yan. Itong mga kinuha natin, it's a good bargain kasi, but we're not sure whether we can still restock this. We'll check pa, pero if you're, looking for other sizes, then let us know, then we can do a pre-order. Ito, gustuhan ko kasi medyo maganda yung kulay niya for me. 8 din siya, women's din. Yung mga kilala kasi umahilig sa ganito, lalo na pag nag-hiking or nagbubundok and all that, maganda yung mga bright colors para easy to spot, diba? This one, ito maganda no? 7.5 women's. So, maganda nga to. Ito actually pwede medyo may pagka-lifestyle, siguro parang track pants or something. But Salomon naman, they're made for outdoor. Actually, alam niyo ba, when they released the Salomon Margiela collab, Margiela is a fashion brand and Salomon is an outdoor footwear. So their CEO actually released a public announcement na parang they felt like they're starting to veer away from their brand, which is outdoor wear. So they don't wanna be a fashion brand, sabi nila. So yun lang naman. So parang I'm not sure if we can still expect more collaborations from Salomon and Margiela, pero yun yung sabi nung CEO ng Salomon. So parang they're not a big fan when people started to like their style on a fashion sense. Ito maganda to. Ito, this one's color black and silver. Size 11 din. So marami tayong mga size 11 na customer. So there you go. These are new stocks for today. Wala natin stocks yung hapon. Kuha na tayo ng stocks. Bili tayo ng bili.